Let's take it back to the IT space and talk about a report from Forrester, an independent technology and market research company. They expect the IT sector to post a strong growth in FY 2010. Now, Chandra Ranganathan joins us for more on that. Chandra, of course, we're talking about the US IT space here, but what would it mean for Indian IT companies in terms of contracts as well?
Shivani, they've given an upbeat forecast not just for the US IT market but globally as well. In terms of numbers, Forrester has said that they expect a 7.8% growth to happen globally and about 10% to happen in US alone. So clearly the US market is going to grow faster than many markets globally. The rest of the world is also growing, but the European market is going to be a drag because of concerns over the sovereign debt crisis. In terms of actual numbers, what this would mean for tech purchases would mean US, the numbers expected to be around $753 billion, and globally it will touch $2,464 billion. So clearly the US, which is Indian IT's biggest technology market, will still account for a third of the overall tech purchases. Now this clearly underlines the recent earnings that we've seen both from TCS and Infosys. Despite cross-currency fluctuations, both of them have reported healthy volume growth, and they have said that the order pipeline, the demand is getting stronger. Wipro is expected to report results tomorrow, so that will also be closely watched. So it's a trend that clearly underlines the fact that demand is kicking back into the IT sector, but growth is getting tempered by cross-currency headwinds. Shivani?